Hello everyone, welcome to NMND5103 Clinical Decision Making online course. Getting ready to supercharge your clinical decision making? I am delighted to see you here. This course will concentrate on the concept of critical thinking, clinical reasoning, clinical judgment, and clinical decision making. Also, the application of those concepts into nursing practice. This course also focusing on the development and application of clinical guidelines, clinical information, and evidence-based practice in healthcare. The interactive session in this course will enhance learner to think critically with evidence and justification. We have Google Meet meetings, e-lesson, e-forum session, and so much more. Also, this course page has learning resources that have been uploaded and embedded. So, explore and enjoy My Inspire at your own personal learning space that you can access anytime, anywhere, every day. Now, want to know more? Join us. Mark your calendar for the e-tutorial session so that you will have like a live session to ask questions. See you there.